Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you our Python code which is used to make a snake game, which is a little bit not user experienced. UI is not much good, but we implement oops concept very significantly and try to build a production level to it. Let's start to play a game and go through to our code base. These are the four files of our game. We distribute the different file for different tasks. Let's assume for food, this is the food file where the complete logic of food class we implement, refresh, and second is main file where we start to run our project is in game. This is built on a Python module turtle. ठीक है? And this file is for scoreboard, which count the score of the user. This is the file for snake. Let's play the game. I go through the complete code. This is the snake file which I show you. This is food file, this is scope file. This is another Python module. This is time. Snake, that is not much hard, very easy to implement. Let's play. It take 2 to 3 minutes because my system is slow. Poor people. Game is going to be start. Let's play. I will show you the pixel because this is the fixed length of our boundaries. We cannot expand it. In the full window, we cannot see the boundaries for the snake. Let's play again. This was okay. Now play again. This is very impressive for your friend. If you want to build it, you can comment down. I will drop down the code on my GitHub repo. You can see at above our score is increasing. That is very hard location. Oh shit, this is pixel issue. This is actually at there. Again, good. We have to implement some pixel changes, then our code run smoothly. One more time. Oh yes. No shit. You can see it to your friends and show off just as you're beginning. This is very good game for the beginners and also for experienced or mid-level developers who want to boost and who want to excel at Python. This will clear world out of concepts and some other you can learn through it by building Python's turtle module. Thanks. This is all about our game. You can check my score. This is 8. Next time we are going to implement a file handling in this so that user can show the highest score of all time. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get code base or code files of this game, you can drop a comment. I will add GitHub link in the description and also give the feedback. How was your experience while watching this video and this game? Thanks, lot of thanks. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye. I will going to kill this snake. Oh full shit.